In this video, I will show how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem in 4 ways. First, make sure that your internet connection is properly connected. Second, go to your Play Store, search for Messenger, select the Messenger app, and here we'll find the option to update it. Tap on it and your app will be updated. Third, go to your phone setting, scroll down and click on apps. Again scroll down and tap on Messenger. Here you will find storage. Tap on it. Here clear your cache and data. Then restart or reboot your phone. Sometimes maybe your username or password can be wrong. So you just need to reset it. And for this, open your Messenger app. Here you will find an option of forgotten password. Tap on it. Now enter your phone number or email address. Then click on next button. You will get a code sent to your email address or phone number. Enter that code. Here select log me out of other devices. It will be safer option. Then click on next. Create your new password and again tap on next and you will be logged into your Messenger account. That's pretty much how you can fix Facebook Messenger login problem by following any one step. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate if you like this video. See you next time.